Kajel, yun na. Look, there's the airplane. Ayun yung airplane. What's that? What's that, Kajel?
Wow. What's that?
Plane. Airplane. Bye, plane. Kajel. Bye, plane.
Bye, Queen! Busy siya. Ayaw niya umalis sa tingin. Doon lang siya nakatingin sa airplane.
Ay, sa wakas.
Ay, nako.
So yung flight namin, ilang
15 hours. Ay, 15 hours. 15 minutes early eh.
Oo, pero 45 minutes lang yung from Naiya to Katiklan Airport. Tapos after nun, may sumundo sa amin sa mismo airport. Sinundo na kami ng van ng mga taga-host. And then siguro mga around 10 minutes na
10 minutes.
10 minutes na ride, no? Hanggang papunta dun sa may speedboat. So wala ka nang asikasuhin kasi sila na magbabayad ng mga environmental fee and everything. So very hassle-free. Tapos may sundo ka na doon sa speedboat. Pinicture kami doon, yun nga, yung nandun sa TV.
5 minutes na
5 minutes.
speedboat ride.
Na takot siya.
Ang bilis kasi.
Sige, Jill, di mo alam mo.
5 minutes na yung speedboat. Usually 10 to 15 minutes yun eh, pero kami 5 minutes lang.
Ang bilis niya. Tapos after nun, van ulit. Mga
10 minutes.
10 minutes ulit na ba napunta dito sa Coast Hotel. And then, yun nga. Pagdating namin dito sa Coast Hotel, winelcome kami with welcome drinks and cold towel. Yan. And then, fairness. Tapos, usually yung check-in namin is 2 p.m. pero ready na yung room ng 1 p.m. So, nakapag-early check-in kami. Recommended to talaga yung Coast Hotel kasi hassle-free na. Tapos, yung customer service nila, the best. We're now here at Coast Hotel. Meron silang pa-welcome. Pinicturean yan kanina bago kami sumakay ng speedboat. Pala, meron silang pa-cake. Happy wedding anniversary and belated happy birthday. Anong masasabi mo?
Thank you, Colos!
And
Meron pa
ano
sila.
pa fruits para kay Gajel? Kinuha na niya. Gajel, what's that? What's this? This one. What's this? What's this? Go, mango. And may panood pa sila. Ay, may pa-chocolate pa pala. May pa-chocolate pa ba? Madami silang pakulo dito. And then meron pa silang free na hand sanitizer plus what's this? Eco bag. Then ito yung bed naming tatlo. Then may coffee maker sila, may patsaa, and pas na. Oy, may bayad. Hindi natin yung gagalawin. Kaya lang baka galawin to ni Gajel pag nakita yung egg. Gajel, huwag mo itong gagalawin ha. Wala na tayong pera. Bayad. Let's look here. May safety box. May ref. Ano naman ang ref nila? Uy! May bayad kaya yan? May bayad din siguro to na babe. Mga coke. So, hindi natin gagalawin yan. Ano tayong pangbayad dyan? May laundry mat. Uy! May pachinelas! Let's look at their CR. So, yan. Hello guys. Hello mga friends. Sige Jel, pakita mo. Taas mo.
Busy siya sa mga
Busy siya sa mangga niya, sa go. At sa nana niya. So, this is the shower room. And toilet bowl. Of course, pangaso, toothbrush, dryer, hanging rack para sa mga towels and clothes. Wala lang silang bathtub. Ha? Meron yan. So, let's try the cake. Alam ko maganda. Masarap yung mga ano dito. Pastries dito. Yan, kaya nga eh. May mga tsanga sila. At may coffee maker sila, babe. Diba? So, that's it for our room tour. See you later. White Beach.
Hello, Ran! Welcome to Boracay! Yay! Wow, pogi! Trees! Very good!
Big.
Big trees! Hi, Gajel! Hi!
We're having our merienda here at Chacha's. Gajel, what's that? Pizza.
Wait lang, still hot.
Still hot, hot, hot. Ay, yan ang silang dalawang pool. Here's the first pool and the second pool. There. Yung room natin. Second floor. Angel! Ba? PlayStation ka. So this is the entertainment room of Coast. Meron silang mini gym. Nice. May free ice cream sila dito. Every 3 p.m. hanggang 5 p.m. So, self-serving. Free ice cream and free popcorn. Mami.
Kung kailan sunset doon natulog. Pagod na pagod. Ayaw matulog kanina.
So, in-arrange na ng, ng Coast. Nakita mo?
Ayan, may patoy pa sila.
Sobrang ganda ng customers.
At saka may pa-drinks din.
Sige, Jen. Hindi dito.
Masungit pa eh. Bye! Ay.
Oh no. Sarap lang sila. And meron pa silang pa midnight snacks. Brownies. Papatikim natin sa my birthday. Tingnan natin kung anong masasabi niya. Babe, oh. Sarap, di ba?
Sarap, kakaiba siya.
Kakaiba. The best.
Mango, tapos may buko sa loob.
Correct advice.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Perfect.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Kajel, see you tomorrow. Uy. Wala siya. Bye. Kajel, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Are you hungry?
Wow. Look at the sea. Imagining waking up every morning with this view. Breakfast buffet muna tayo. Let's go, let's go.
Bye!
Kajel, wow! Kajel! Welcome in the beach! Kajel! Come here, come here! Oh no, oh no!
Try mo nga kung lalapag na siya. Wow! Yay! Wow! Wow! Nakababa na siya. Wow! Water splash! Splash, splash, splash! Wow! 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 Waves! Naglalaro si Gadget. Exercise muna si Daddy. Wow! Go! Oy, very good talaga. Thank you po.
Mami!
Wow, thank you. Ayaw, bigay. Let's go na, let's go. Go! Wow, wow. Biscuit with ice cream.
Wow, nom, 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 nom.
Boink, 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 boink.
Tuk, 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 tuk.
Boink, 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 boink. Hi, where are we going?
We're going to the grotto to Willis Rock.
Wow.
You place your lips like this.
Hi! Hi, Vlog! Hi, Vlog! Wala mo naman nagbablog talaga.
Happy birthday!
Ayun, Donica! Vlog na hindi kami. Ayun na naman yung vlog natin. Kuya alak dito, lasing ka na naman. Matagal tayo nawala. Ayun, Donica! Tignan mo na behind the scenes. Guys! Happy birthday! Anong masasabi mo sa birthday niya?
It's timing day.
What can you say about, can you greet our birthday girl?
Happy birthday, Bella!
Guys, can you greet our birthday girl?
Happy birthday! Thank you for inviting us.
Happy birthday, Bella!
Thank you very much for inviting us. Thank you for the dinner buffet.
Oh, you greet Bea, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bea! Happy birthday, Bea!
Sisi! Kumusta naman?
Blow, blow, blow.